Hola chicos, bienvenidos a Español en 2 minutos. In today's post I want to go over how, really quickly, how to form the present tense in Spanish. And I'm going to try and do that in 2 minutes, so go. Okay, so basically you have verbs in Spanish that always in the dictionary end in an R, the letter R, and it's either AR, ER or IR. Okay, over 60% of all verbs in Spanish are AR verbs, and with only about 10% being IR, the rest are ER. And basically all you have to do is take off those combination of endings. And if you want to say that I do something in the present tense, you look up a verb in the dictionary, for example, visitar, to visit, and then you take off the AR and you put an O at the end instead. So it's visito, visito. And this works with all three sets of verbs. So if you have an ER verb, such as comer, to eat, comer, then you take off the ER and you put an O on the end. So you've got como, como. And lastly, an IR verb would be, for example, vivir, to live, vivir. And you take the IR off and you put an O at the end. So it's vivo, vivo, I live. Okay, and that's basically the way that it works. It does get a little bit more complicated than that, and I'll do further videos to talk about all the different constructions. But basically, if you look up a verb in the dictionary and you want to make it into saying that I do something in the present tense, so I eat, I swim, I visit, I live, etc., then you basically, all you need to do is tick off the last two letters, whether it be AR, ER or IR, and you just put an O on the end, okay? So let's practice. So if you have a verb, for example, beber, to drink, beber, I drink is going to be bebo. And if you have a verb, for example, with an IR at the end, compartir, to share, compartir, I share is comparto, muy bien. And then lastly, if you've got a verb with an AR at the end, most verbs do. So for example, comprar, to buy, comprar, I buy is, well done, compro, muy bien. So that's basically what I wanted to go over in today's video, how to use the dictionary, take away the last two letters of any verb that you find, any doing word, which should be AR, ER and IR, take that away, put an O on the end, and apart from the numerous amounts of irregular verbs that you've got, that should actually do the trick for you and say that I do something. Muy bien. Okay, I really hope that you've liked this video. If so, press like and share it with your friends, and please do press subscribe, and I'll make sure that you see all of the latest videos as soon as they come out. Okay, muchas gracias chicos. Adiós.